Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So guys, do you want to know about cosmetic reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. People from Australia are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and get to know about the full details of this site. So first of all, we'll talk about the website's type and the products they deals with. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with different products. They offer furnitures, Christmas products, outdoor products, then home products and many other related products. So if you want to check out their products, you have to visit to their official site. So now we are going to check their payment method. For that, you have to scroll it down. Here they've given it. You can pay through Amex, Apple Pay, Google Pay, MasterCard, PayPal, ShopPay, Visa, and so on. Now let's check their shipping timing. For that, you have to go to the shipping and delivery. So here they have given the shipping timing, but the shipping timing differs according to different countries, and there are two shipping methods. One is express and the other is standard. So in Australia, under standard shipping, it takes 6 to 10 weeks, and under express shipping, it takes 20 to 30 working days. And in New Zealand, under standard shipping, it takes 8 to 11 weeks. So you can check this out. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's discuss about the alleged missing factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now if you want to know about their domain information, this website was registered on 9 of November 2020 and it is going to expire on 9 of November 2022, which means this website is 1 year old. So guys, if you want to know about their about us details, go to About Cosmetic. So here they have given some details, as you can see, but they haven't given the business establishment here. They have only given about their company and about their founder identity. So this is a good sign. Now if you want to know about their contact details, they have also given their contact details, their main homepage, or you can click on email us. So here you will find they have given their full contact details. Also we have checked the physical address. It seems genuine. And also the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. Now, if you want to know about their social media presence, well, this website does have social media presence. It has got social media presence over Facebook and on Instagram. Also, we have checked the amount of followers. So, on Instagram, it has over 16,000 followers and on Facebook, it has over 1,000 followers. So, now if you want to check their return and refund policy, go to the refund policy page section. So, here it has mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 30 days of receipt. And about the refund, they have said that. Scroll it down till the end and here they have given it. So here they have mentioned that once your refund have been approved, it will automatically go to your original mode of payment. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check out description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the cosmetic reviews, we have found reviews on Trustpilot with a 4.0 rating, and it seems like all the reviews are positive, but there are also some negative reviews as well, so you can check that out. And the trust score of this website is 45% and the business trust ranking is 23.7%. And the content quality seems to be plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the cosmetic reviews, this website appears to be a legit website. Though this website is quite new, but it has got reviews and social media presence. Also, they have given their genuine contact details. So it might be a legit website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review was helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.